Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to find the sum of all interior angles of a polygon having 9 sides. So, sum of all interior angles, sum of all interior angles of an n-sided polygon is given by the formula 180 degree multiplied by n minus 2, where n is the number of sides, where n is the number of sides. Now according to the question, the value of n will be equals 9, since it has been given that we have to find the sum of interior angles of a polygon having 9 sides. So according to the question, the value of n will be equals 9. Therefore sum of all interior angles, sum of all interior angles will be equal 180 degrees multiplied by 9 minus 2. So 180 degrees multiplied by 7, which will give us 1260 degrees. So 1260 degrees. Therefore sum of all interior angles, sum of all interior angles equals 1260 degrees. So this will be our final required answer. Thank you and have a great day.